Donald Trump has just a few hours left to prevent the seizure of his assets in a business fraud case that threatens his fabled property empire. A deadline for him to put up the $464M, pound 365M penalty for inflating his net worth is due to expire on Monday. If he fails to either secure a bond or delay the process in court, the authorities in New York can freeze his bank accounts or target his properties. A separate legal threat to the former president also takes shape later. He may be given a date for his first criminal trial at a hearing in New York in the so-called hush money case involving adult film star Stormy Daniels. Mr. Trump is expected to attend in person to hear his lawyers argue the case should be dismissed due to the recent disclosure of thousands of documents about a key witness. In the fraud case, he may yet receive a lifeline from a New York appeals court which is considering his application for a stay on the judgment. Last week, his lawyers said he had been unable to cover the penalty despite approaching numerous financial companies to provide a bond. To secure a bond, an individual has to demonstrate to the company providing the guarantee that they have enough liquidity, usually in the form of cash or stocks. If Mr. Trump secured a bond on Monday, it would protect his assets while he continues his appeal. He could also yet find the money through other means. On Friday, he claimed on social media that he possessed almost $500 in cash. A New York judge ordered him to pay the penalty for falsely inflating his assets to secure better loans. His sons were also ordered to pay financial penalties. New York Attorney General Letitia James gave a 30-day grace period from the ruling to give Mr. Trump time to find the money. That expires on the 25th of March. Ms. James has said she is prepared to take Mr. Trump's assets if he does not pay on time. She recently filed the fraud judgment with clerks in Westchester County, an indication she might try to take property in New York City's northern suburbs. Mr. Trump owns Seven Springs, a golf course, and 212-acre estate in that area. Also at risk are Mr. Trump's prized New York properties, including the 58-floor Trump Tower, and even his assets in Florida, including his Mar-a-Lago club. According to a Forbes estimate, Mr. Trump is worth about $2.6 billion. He testified last year that he had $400M in liquid assets. The $464M judgment is not his only expense. He was ordered to pay $83M in January after losing a defamation case to E. Jean Carroll, a woman he was found to have sexually abused. He has already posted a bond in that case. He is the first former president in U.S. history to be criminally charged and faces dozens of charges across 4 separate cases. Kindly like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section.